Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb sitting inside of the GMC Yukon Denali. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the hands-free liftgate. So let's go ahead and hop out and
making sure you do have your key fob on you. We're going to go ahead and hop out of the vehicle. Now, for the hands-free liftgate, you will have to open a door and reset it. Now, that can be the driver door, can be the back passenger. But you're going to walk back here with the key fob. Within 3 feet of the vehicle, you have to make sure the key fob's with you. And then you're going to go ahead and swipe your foot underneath the GMC, and it will flash for you. Now, you can do it as well for closing if you have the setting on. Now, it seems like this setting isn't on, so I'm going to go and hop in, and I'll show you. Let me make sure I'm cutting that line. Yep. So let's go ahead and hop in, and I'll show you how to make sure you have it set. Now, once again, some vehicles have the setting to close it, some do not. But for the hands-free liftgate kick feature, you will tend to have the option to close it. So we're going to hop into our settings menu, go into settings, and then we're going to go down to vehicle, and then we're going to go into our comfort and convenience, and scroll right here, hands-free. Make sure it's on open and close. Once again, go ahead and hop out. Let's go ahead and hop out. Make sure we open and close the door. This is just to guarantee it. And then you have your light on. So once again, here's the key fob. Go ahead and kick under there. Bam, it opens. Once it's all the way open, this is if your hands are full. Like in one hand, I've got my camera, in the other hand, I've got the key. And then we go ahead and swipe it again with my foot. Lights flash, and it automatically closes for you. Now, it can be easier from the key fob, just depends on versatility. I want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you're having a great day. I'll see y'all soon.